You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these phrases from French? This means the golden keys, and I believe it's the name of quite a famous hotel in Paris, France. For more useful French vocabulary and names of famous places and brand names from France, very useful, make sure to stay tuned. It's said as Les Clefs d'Or, the golden keys. Les Clefs, I know the F and the S are silent here. It's confusing, but that's how it is. It's French. Les Clefs d'Or. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Les Clefs d'Or. Les Clefs d'Or. In French again, Les Clefs d'Or. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.